Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony.Salazar, they call me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a nice pre-owned 2019 Forest River Sunseeker, a 2650. A really nice little coach. We've got a few of these right now. So if you like this layout, like this floor plan, you should come down and check it out. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, as we come inside the coach, let's go into the cockpit area. It's just a Ford V10. It has a backup camera. As you step back, you can see we got a nice twin bed set up here, which is kind of cool. And then there's a nice little chair here off to the side and a beautiful dinette. As we head over towards across the way, we've got a nice little kitchen with the farm sink, 3-burner cooktop, nice little oven, nice little refrigerator there as well. This unit does have a nice little queen walk-around bed with lots of storage. It's got storage underneath on the outside as well. And then if you go into the bathroom area, you've got a nice little shower, nice toilet area, a little bit of storage in here. Really a nice coach. Folks, if you like this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV and you're interested in having me, Big Sal, help you, give me a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.